Greetings. In this video, we are going to learn about the voltage regulator IC. The function of a voltage regulator is to maintain a constant DC voltage at the output, irrespective of voltage fluctuation at the input and or variation in the load current. In other words, the voltage regulator produces a regulated DC output voltage. Voltage regulators are also available in integrated circuit forms. These are called as voltage regulator IC. Before we are going to discuss about the details of various voltage regulator ICs, let us first understand the regulator power supply. Regulator power supply. The regulator power supply is an electronic circuit that is designed to provide a constant DC voltage of predetermined value across the load terminal, irrespective of the AC mean fluctuation or load variations. A regulator power supply essentially consists of a rectifier with a filter and a voltage regulating device as shown in the above figure. The output from a rectifier with a filter is fed to the voltage regulator device that provide the constant voltage. The output voltage remain constant irrespective of variation in the AC input voltage or variation in the output current or load current. That is why it is called the regulator output voltage. Here the shown in figure, here the AC voltage 230 volt is given to the rectifier with the filter unit. Here the filter produces the some output voltage. Here the output voltage has presently some ripples, that is presently some AC component. In order to get the pure DC voltage to the load, we can use the voltage regulator device. The voltage regulator device produces the constant DC output voltage irrespective of the AC main fluctuation or load variation, irrespective of the AC main fluctuation or load variation. Now we can discuss about the type of IC voltage regulators. There are basically 4 types of IC voltage regulators. They are fixed positive voltage regulator, fixed negative voltage regulator, adjustable voltage regulator, dual tracking voltage regulator. Now we can discuss about the fixed positive voltage regulator. This IC regulator provides a fixed positive output voltage. Although many types of IC regulators are available, the 78XX series of IC regulator is the most popular. The last 2 digits in the part of number indicate the DC output voltage. For example, the 7812 is a positive 12 voltage regulator, whereas the 7805 is a positive 5 volt regulator. Note that this 78XX series provides the fixed regulator voltage from plus 5 volt to 24 volt plus 24 volt. Here the table shows the various type of positive voltage regulator IC number and the corresponding output voltage. Here the 7805 represent the positive 5 volt, 7806 represent the positive 6 volt. Similarly, 7824 represent the output voltage is the positive 24 volt. Note that this 78XX series provide the fixed voltage regulated output voltage from plus 5 volt to 24 plus 24 volt. Next we can see the fixed negative voltage regulator. This IC regulator provide a fixed negative output voltage. Although many type of IC regulators are available, the 79XX series of IC regulator is the most popular. The last 2 digits in the part of number indicate the DC output voltage. For example, the 7912 IC is a minus 12 volt regulator, whereas 7905 is a minus 5 voltage regulator. Here the table gives the various IC 79XX series, various 79XX IC series and their corresponding output voltage. Here the 7905 IC gives the output voltage minus 5 volt. 7912 here gives the output voltage is the minus 12 volt. Here the XX represent the output voltage. Now we can discuss about the operation of fixed positive voltage regulator. 7812 IC is connected to provide a fixed DC output voltage of 12 volt. The unregulated positive input voltage VI is applied to the IC input terminal and the IC's output terminal provide the 12 volt. Capacitors, although not always necessary, are sometimes used on the input and output. The output capacitor acts basically as a line filter to improve the transient response. The input capacitor is used to prevent the unwanted oscillation. Here the unregulated positive input voltage is applied to the IC 7812. Here the unregulated positive input voltage is coming from the filter. We know that the filter output has the some ripples and some ripple and the AC component are present. We can get the pure DC voltage. We can use the regulator. Here the regulator IC 7812. It provides the constant output voltage 12 volt. Now we can see the fixed negative voltage regulator operation. The 7912 IC is connected to provide a fixed DC output voltage of minus 12 volt. The unregulated negative input voltage V is connected to the IC's input terminal and the IC's output terminal provide the minus 12 volt. That is unregulated negative input voltage is applied to the input of IC 7912. Here the IC provide the output to constant output voltage minus 12 volt irrespective of any load variation or voltage fluctuation. Here the output capacitor is used to improve the transient response. Here the input capacitor C1 is used to prevent the unwanted oscillation. Now we can see the adjustable voltage regulator. The LM317 is a 3-terminal positive adjustable voltage regulator and can supply 1.5 amps of the load current over an adjustable output ranges of 1.25 volt to 37 volt. The figure shows an unregulated power supply driving an LM317 circuit. The data sheet of an LM317 gives the following formula for the output voltage. Here the V output equal to 1.25 into R2 divided by R1 plus 1. This formula is valid from 1.25 volt to 37 volt. Here the unregulated DC voltage is given to the input of the adjustable voltage regulator LM317. Here the unregulated DC voltage coming from the filter output. Here the LM317 provide the adjustable output voltage in the range of 1.25 volt to 37 volt. Now we can discuss the dual tracking voltage regulator. Okay, here the dual tracking regulator provides the equal positive and negative output voltage. The regulator is used when split supply voltage are needed. The RC4195 IC provides the DC output voltage of plus 15 volt and minus 15 volt. The device needs two unregulated input voltages. The positive input voltage may be varied from plus 18 volt to plus 30 volt and the negative input voltage varied from minus 18 volt to minus 30 volt. As shown, the two output are plus 15 volt or minus 15 volt. The data sheet of an RC4195 lists a maximum output current of 150 milliamps for each supply and a load regulation of 3 millivolt. The adjustable dual tracking regulator also available. This regulator have output that can be varied from their two rated limits.